Big launch, we've made our AI tools free. Oh shit. So Replit Agent is free now?
Why that app didn't exist. Now you can make it. Meet Replit Agent. Want a custom workout plan? Make an app for that. Have a great idea at 2 a.m.? Make an app for that. Need to run an analysis? Or learn with your kids? Make an app for that too. This isn't just making apps. This is your imagination unleashed. Describe what you want and watch it come to life. No coding experience, right from your phone. Made an awesome app? Share it with a friend. Have a business idea? Everything you need is in your hands. Now is the perfect time. Create something amazing. What will you make today? Try it free at replit.com.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, we have these. So browser-based IDE, that's kind of like the core feature of Replit, which is really cool. So like it has an IDE in the browser. So an IDE being like a development editor environment similar to VS Code or Cursor, but it's in the browser and it's like online multiplayer kind of thing. So multiple people can be working on the same code base, same repository, similar to Google Docs with many languages support. Yeah, real-time collab. Built-in hosting, this is actually a really big one as well. So if you have a compatible project, with one click you can host that project on a server that they host with a custom domain. So that's kind of one of the harder parts about developing projects locally, is that if you host it yourself, you have to do all this extra stuff to enable the internet to be able to see it, and then also you have to keep your computer on 24/7 for the internet to be able to see it. So like deploying things publicly locally is like pretty hard and like not recommended. Normally you want to deploy on the cloud. So that's like an extra step to go from your local environment to deploying on the cloud, recreating like all the dependencies on the cloud. Whereas with a browser-based IDE like Replit, they have the built-in hosting, which makes things a lot easier. Built-in version control, debugger, environment, unit testing, secrets management, some basic things you'd expect. And they also have AI-powered tools, as you'd hope in this age. So Ghostwriter is kind of like their assistant with auto-completion and code generation. And they also have Replit Agent. This is great. They have agents. This is a big trend, coding agents. Now the one issue with the Replit Agent on most of your coding tasks is that it's not actually compatible with existing repositories. So Replit Agent's great if you want to make a new app, a new prototype really quickly. And they even have, I think they have a mobile app, or the web app works really well on mobile. That's one of their key things they focused on, which is something we haven't really seen with any of the other AI coding tools, is like the mobile friendliness. So that's one thing I think Replit really shines at, is the mobile friendliness with their agent, but unfortunately doesn't work with existing repositories, so that is a bit of a shame. And they have some other cool things as well, like Replit bounties. Let's quickly show you that. This is, sometimes people ask me like, how can I make money with software engineering? For they just want to quickly use their skills and maybe make some quick money, like 100, 500 bucks. And yeah, there's this thing called bounties, where you can work for these like bounties, essentially, like the coding bounties or tech bounties. Yeah, find one, pick one up, submit. I personally haven't had any experience with this, but like this concept of putting bounties for small software tasks I think is awesome. There's community projects and templates. This is actually really big as well. You can like fork templates that are built for specifically Replit, so you can like work off already like proven working templates, and they have like pretty much all of the latest popular which you'd find on GitHub on Replit. And yeah, you can just fork that template, copy it, and build off it. Like I remember running AutoGPT 2 years ago on Replit when it was a bit difficult for me to run locally. It was so easy to run on Replit. You just press like copy template or clone template or whatever, and you're off. They have a built-in database, it seems. You can always on REPLs, yeah. They have tutorials, classroom, and yeah, that's the like overall. So I use cursor lovable v0, tried Replit at one point, but not sure to subscribe again. Well, here's some good news, hey May Sele. As of today, the Replit agent is actually available on the free tier, I'm pretty sure. So you don't even have to pay the $20 like you used to try the Replit agent. So try it again. It's definitely gotten a lot better than when it first came out. And it looks like they're just gonna keep making it better. And you can see here I have used Anthropic computer use on Replit before. And this is awesome, like, you know, the computer use agent, instead of you cloning it locally and trying to run it, which is like a slight headache, you can just run that whole thing on Replit, which is awesome. Tool that scrapes X talk to, yes, actually, that is what I want to do. No, that's a great idea. The thing is, like, I don't think you can feed this docs. We need to, like, most LLMs don't know about the X developer docs, so we need to somehow. Replit is trained on certain APIs, like potentially X. Okay, awesome. I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. Make an app that we can configure our API, and it has a nice interface to search for tweets using the latest v2x API. Developer API. I don't think this is gonna work, dude. Let's just give it a go. Twitter API is more spot on. I'm just like scared it's gonna use the old. So I'm like v2x developer API. I don't know. Not very confident in this prompt, but I just want to see like what it even tries to do. I'll just let it cook, and then I can just paste the docs in the front end, I guess. I mean, in the Replit agent. Oh, that's sick how it takes a screenshot though and feeds it back. That's really good. I like that. Let me show you properly. Yeah, so we get to see like it debugging like the console output, and also really interestingly the screenshot. I mean, this is an error, but I assume this kind of functionality in the future could be used to debug actual user interfaces, something that like a lot of these other tools seem to be lacking. And there we go, here's our new user interface. Actually looks really nice. Which API endpoint are we going? All right, this is the main question for getting X tweets. Nice, the X chat is working. API.twitter/2. Is that real? I don't think this is real. Is this real? Okay, it's real. Oh shit. Okay, nice. Maybe Replit did know about that. That's really good. It just needs one key. Let me hide my screen to see if this works. Because there's more than one key. Let's see if we can search for, let's just search for O3 mini. I think I want to give it the docs. Alright, this might mess it up, but I don't know, we'll see. Just search OpenAI. Failed to search tweets. Please check your API key. Yeah, I don't know. Can we get logs here? Rate limit exceeded. Okay. Fundamentals rate limits. API v2. Delete, get. Search recent. Here we go. 1 request per 15 minutes per user. So we might have to wait 15 minutes. That's pretty bad. I might just like leave this for 15 minutes. We'll try another project. That was pretty cool. Like it worked pretty flawlessly, which was nice. I want to know if it can also do like Python stuff. So I want to say like make an app where we can give a search query. The app searches on YouTube for videos related to the query. Then we can use transcribe anything to Python library to transcribe the videos combined and send them to an LLM for summarization. This is like, I want to see if we can use a Python library. Like, will it make a Python project now, or can it only do, because like Lovable and stuff, they pretty much can only do like like JavaScript web apps. Yeah, it does Python. It did Python better than React at first. Yeah, nice. Build the initial prototype, OpenAI. What's this? Oh, it's the integration. Yes, okay. All right. I love how it like debugs all the errors autonomously at the start. That's really great. Oh, sweet. Now it wants me to, oh, it's going to transcribe using Whisper. Wait, is this a, okay, nice. It's using a Python project. Okay. I'll give it my API key. All right, we have a YouTube video summarizer. All right, I'll search like O3 mini. Oh, it'd be good if I had like a one-click button to put the error into the context. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with how it's working generally. The fact that it can do Python projects is pretty unique as well. I think like not many of the other good tools like this can do Python. Alright, let's try again. Same error. Interestingly, we don't get the error here. Can you try search again? Okay. Damn, we're getting the same error here. Include better logging so we can debug this issue. There must be a way to debug the server though. Like this is just front-end errors. Like where do we see the, you know what I'm trying to say? Alright, let me close agent. Close progress. Okay, we're in this project. We can like console. Yeah, oh there, console. Oh shit. Here we go. This is much better. Okay, let's bring back agent. Let's go down to the error. This is a much better error. I don't know if it has this in the context, but I think this will help it a lot more. Search, proxies, okay. And here we can, I guess, also add the web view somehow. How do we add the web view? Okay, resolve the issue, supposedly. Let's see. OpenAI. We'll do 2. Oh shit, nice. Progress is not a valid URL. Default search, run YouTube DLP. Okay, sweet. Oh, this is so good. Let's get the actual error. Whoa, there's so many logs. No, this error is too big. Vercel is better. It's unlimited usage for $20 a month. For V0? Yeah, but V0, I'm doing a Python app now. V0 can't do Python apps. Just click usage on the left. Usage on the left. Was that in the other view? You can get AdaChat to do what Replit does. Yeah, you can, except for the deployment. I think Replit's, like for building whole apps from scratch, Replit's probably better for Replit Agent, at least. Alright, let's just do 1 video. Damn it, went back to 2. No videos found. Why fuck not? Why does this always go to the... I think I want to clear history. Can we clear history? No? It doesn't like to clear history. What if we put this here? Skipping video. It's now not finding any videos. Can we add better logs to debug this? Also, remove the watchdog observer logs. The fuck are those, man? Watchdog. Oh man, bad prompting. Go back home to usage. You can see your usage per session at the top right of the chat window with the meter icon. Oh, sick, bro. Man, so good to have you in the chat I see through. Hell yeah. Oh, this is way better. Okay, I've used $1 out of 25. Oh, that seems like a lot better than what that previous graph showed me. I have additional credits. Hell yeah. Sick. Alright, we have a lot of credits to play with, it seems. That's really good. Yeah, let's focus on this YouTube thing for now. I feel like we're making some progress. Surprised Windsurf doesn't get any exposure. Yeah, it's getting some exposure. I feel like it's not doing anything too unique. That's kind of the issue. It just feels like it's just catching up to cursor kind of thing, you know? I'm so patient with these Replit agents. You kind of have to be if you want anything like meaningful. Oh wait, I guess we were expecting it to fail. Okay, these logs are way better. Look, it found some, but it says no videos found. Excellent. It'll definitely be able to fix this issue, I'm pretty sure. Video URLs are present, but our code isn't extracting them. Alright, I'm hoping to get this to like a working state before we end stream. Alright, here we go. It's found a video, it's processing it. This is so exciting! Successfully extracted, info for video, refreshed. Remove all the previous debugging so we can focus on this new error. It seems like it's gonna work. I'm pretty impressed so far. Yeah, Replit Agent seems really powerful. Okay, there we go. We have some timeouts. It seemed it timed out. No, wait, what is this? Or maybe it processed one. Oh shit, it finished processing one. No way, now it's processing the other one. Dude, that's great. See, patience pays off. Good things come to those who wait. You should take some tips. You could check if a transcript exists. Yeah, you could. So I used the API that YouTube gives for getting transcripts. They like to IP ban. They like to IP ban people that use it. Because I used to have this app called timestampgenius.com, but it got IP banned from YouTube, and I was using their transcripts, YouTube transcripts. So it works if you run it locally, but I think I was hosting on Vercel, and they like banned the Vercel IPs or something. And that might happen with this search as well. I'm not sure what YouTube search they're using. Since I'm using Python, isn't there a package for that? Yes. Yeah, but it'll just be using the API under the hood. Yo, yeah, we were testing out Replit Agent, which as of today is free to try the Replit Agent. So yeah, if you guys want to try it, I think it's pretty good. It'd probably have like some niche use cases where it's really good at. I think one of the biggest ones, it seems like it's the most flexible in terms of what frameworks you want to build on. Whereas like Lovable and V0, they're kind of locking you into the JavaScript web frameworks, but it seems like Replit can do both JavaScript web and Python pretty well. Yeah, it seems like you can just do it with any framework. Let's have a look at the console. Oh, it did it. Dude, it did it. This Video Explorer is a rapid. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Awesome. I think IC3 wanted me to see what it'd be like to deploy this. So let's have a go at deploying this. I mean, they say it's a one-click button to deploy up here, but I don't know how legitimate that is. So I'm gonna press it, and then we get to choose what machine to deploy this on. I'm a bit hesitant because I've got my. I mean, I guess we could just take it down. I'm just gonna leave it at default. I got my OpenAI API key here. Oh, we can do a private deployment. That's pretty cool. Tech friend, YouTube researcher. This is pretty cool though. I kind of like this app as a starting point. Instead of a summary, I could get it to like make scripts for videos or like posts on TikTok, X and shit. I think that'd be pretty cool. Deploying Streamlit apps is easy. Sick. Should I have had a build command? Because I just had a run command. I don't know. We'll see. All on default settings. Oh, sweet, it deployed. Another text box for us to be able to set like the system prompt and the prompt. So instead of summary, we can turn all those transcripts into anything. I think that'd be awesome. But yeah, here we go. techfriend-yt-researcher.replit.app. I will take this down, I think right now, but it was so easy to deploy. This has my OpenAI key linked to it, so I don't want people to use my usage, but yeah, I was just testing out the deployment and it's super easy. Literally one click. I had it all on default settings. Really good. I'm gonna shut down the deployment. Awesome, man. Super easy. All right, thank you guys so much. Oh, you can talk about your experience with Replit. Okay, I'm gonna quickly have a call with my friend Nick here, who has recently used Replit for his own use case. He is not a technical person like me, so he will give. So yeah, actually, let me do that intro again while I'm facing the camera. Nick, I'm gonna send you a meeting invite on WhatsApp. My friend Nick, he's not a technical person. He is a startup founder though, and he actually has an app. His like core business was built around the app. I guess it kind of still is. And he just played with Replit for the first time, Replit Agent, recently. So yeah, I asked him if he could come on stream and just let us know about his experience using Replit app, what he's built, and what he thinks about it as a non-technical founder. And here he comes right now. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I just gave an intro about a little bit about who you are, and yeah, I mean, you can just take it away, or you can add some more.
Yeah. So, like you said, AJ, I'm non-technical, meaning, I employ other software devs and stuff like that. So, Replit came onto my radar a few weeks ago. I saw a tweet about it. I've actually seen it tweeted a few months ago as well, but I never kind of checked it out. Also, you said your own experience wasn't like amazing.
Yeah, I tried it out when it very first came out. It was like in beta or something, so it wasn't expected to be very good, and it wasn't. But yeah, I've tried it out today after that, and it's so much better. Anyway, sorry, go on.
Yeah, and like you showed, like you just had a good experience. So I tried it out earlier in the week, last week, and yeah, dude, like basically I used it for like a productivity system that I track in my Apple Notes. Which obviously is like pretty basic, like I manually update things. So I always had an idea of, could I ever take this system and put it into an app or something one day for others to use? So I already had like a kind of semi-brief in my notes. I just put that as a prompt in Replit with just a few tweaks. And yeah, like it's similar to your experience, like within a few minutes, you basically have a running prototype. And the good thing is Replit was even giving like suggestions for features, because my productivity system is all like gamified. Like it'll give suggestions for like do you want to add streaks? Do you want to add like a calendar? Like all these things which you probably want in an app. So it's like I use it right now as a good brainstorming tool, prototyping tool, and I'm using it with my team now. I just told my team now, like, hey, we can use this as a prototyping tool. Also to solve like challenges that we might have with UX.
Yes. And
it's just like, I think it's a good brainstorming tool for now.
Yeah.
So
are you able to give us a demo, or?
I'm trying. I'm logged into Replit. I'm trying to like figure out how to. I don't want to share too much. Anyway, like I have a brief in my notes that like I basically pasted, and then I gave some examples of like an alarm emoji is like if I woke up on time or not, or if I went to sleep to bed on time or not. So like I put all these prompts in. I put that in the prompt, and then it basically started creating it for me. So build the initial prototype. It added all this stuff, man. And
yeah,
the initial prototype was basic. Also, maybe a good hack for the UI stuff. Like I said, for the UI, make it like Duolingo, and make the branding and the language like Nike. So you can already see like it says achieve greatness, track your journey to excellence, make it count. Like, this is
just
all
like
Nike kind of like,
copy.
Yeah, Nike copy, exactly. And the UI is not amazing, but does it look like Duolingo? Yeah, I mean, sort of. The fire
emoji, yeah. It's very clean, you know.
It is clean. Yeah, that's the main thing. It's clean. It's sort of functional. This is a little bit buggy, but I can basically use my own system here, and then press just do it. Just do it, yeah, Nike. So and then Nike. I even added a prompt to gamify. Yeah. Awesome. I did a prompt to make some confetti pop up.
Yeah, I love that.
I don't know what library that uses or whatever, but
Yeah, there's probably so many.
but so yeah, like I just it built a calendar for me. Has a stats tracker, and this literally what I'm showing you just took like 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Agent.
You think like this like let's say if it usually took I don't know for one dev 1 week to build an MVP of a semi-basic app, that this reduces that time to like or less, like 80% of the time is saved from let's say 2 years ago.
That's a tough one. It really depends on the skill of the dev. Maybe for a junior dev, yeah, it's like that. But for the more mid and senior devs, I think they would probably outperform this at certain scales. Like maybe the first like 10 minutes basic boilerplate, this will definitely outperform any dev. But once the like complexity grows, like as an experienced dev at this stage, I think. But yeah, it's pretty like, it's kind of like a how long is a piece of string. It's kind of difficult to quantify. Yeah, Sol also says v0.dev is good, and yeah, there's also bolt.new. Anyway, Nick, thanks so much. I'm gonna leave it here. We're gonna also end stream.
I'd take fun.
And we'll see you later. Peace. Yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. We're gonna end stream here. It's been great. It's been fun. And yeah, we'll see you next stream. Hopefully I'll stream tomorrow. I think I will. Sounds like I could definitely do that. So you guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy your day. And we'll see you. Ooh, Ziad has an alt.